Houston's hot, humid climate can take a toll on your home's energy efficiency. With temperatures regularly soaring above 90 degrees Fahrenheit during the summer months and mild winters, managing your home's internal temperature year-round can be challenging and costly. However, one simple yet highly effective upgrade to your home can drastically reduce your energy bills and improve comfort: installing energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent heat from entering your home during the summer and escaping in the winter, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing the need for heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Here's how these windows can save you money, especially in a city like Houston. Lower cooling costs in summer. Houston summers are notorious for their high temperatures and intense humidity. Air conditioners run for much of the year, often working harder and using more energy to keep the indoor environment cool. Traditional windows, especially older ones, can let in a lot of heat, causing your air conditioning system to work harder and run longer. This results in higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies like low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings and gas fills between panes, which significantly reduce heat transfer. This means that the hot air outside stays out, and your indoor air stays cooler with less reliance on your air conditioning. As a result, your cooling costs can decrease by up to 25–30%, depending on the size of your home and the quality of your existing windows. Better insulation for year-round comfort. In addition to cooling benefits, energy-efficient windows also provide superior insulation for winter months, even in Houston, where temperatures occasionally dip below freezing. These windows help to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, preventing heat from escaping through the glass. In turn, your heating system won't have to work as hard to keep your home warm, reducing your energy consumption. While winters in Houston are mild compared to other regions, energy-efficient windows can still offer savings by keeping heat inside when you do need it. With less strain on your HVAC system, you can expect a reduction in heating costs as well. Reduced wear and tear on your HVAC system. By making it easier to maintain a stable temperature in your home, energy-efficient windows reduce the workload of your air conditioner and heater. This can lead to a longer lifespan for your HVAC system, saving you money on repairs and replacements. HVAC systems are often one of the most expensive home appliances to replace, so preserving their longevity with energy-efficient windows is a wise investment in your home. Increased home value and return on investment. One of the often overlooked benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient windows is the potential increase in your home's value. Homebuyers today are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features, and energy-efficient windows can make your home stand out in the competitive Houston real estate market. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can expect a return of 70–80% of the cost of new windows when selling their home, making it a smart investment that pays off both in savings and potential resale value. Protection from UV damage. In addition to saving energy, energy-efficient windows can also protect your home from the harmful effects of ultraviolet (UV) rays. UV rays can fade your furniture, carpets, and artwork, leading to costly replacements over time. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings block a significant amount of UV radiation, helping to preserve the interior of your home and saving you money on repairs and replacements. Rebates and incentives for energy-efficient upgrade. In many cases, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can qualify you for rebates or incentives. The federal government and local utility companies in Houston may offer incentives to homeowners who install energy-efficient features. These rebates can help offset the upfront costs of new windows, making the investment even more affordable. Be sure to check with your local utility provider and the U.S. Department of Energy for any available programs. Conclusion. In Houston, where the weather can be unpredictable and extreme, investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart and cost-effective way to save money. By reducing your energy consumption, lowering cooling and heating costs, improving your home's comfort, and extending the life of your HVAC system, energy-efficient windows are a wise investment for homeowners. Not only do they contribute to long-term savings, but they can also add value to your home, protect your belongings, and help you stay comfortable year-round. Consider making the switch today and enjoy the benefits of a more energy-efficient home.